Hey everybody, Kelly here. I just asked a question here in the caption. It says, "How are you spending your Valentine's Day?" A, getting busy. B, looking for love. Or C, I almost said three. Why am I doing fingers? C, staying in. No matter what you're up to for Valentine's Day, there's Posh for that, and there is a great deal too. So let me show you what it is. Okay, so there are three different bundles happening at a great value. The first bundle is called Getting Busy, and it comes with our new Jungle Juice Chunk Bar. This is a soap bar. It has double the moisture infusing glycerin than normal, and it smells amazing. It's tangerine cocktail, pineapple. It almost smells like strawberry-like to me, and look how beautiful this soap bar is. It's so pretty. It smells so delicious. Oh, it gets me ready for spring and summer. That's for sure. This bundle comes with the Brazilian Bombshell body butter as well. So you've got your Jungle Juice, very tropical, and then the Brazilian Bombshell body butter. Oh, it just has a lighter fruity scent mixed with some like coconut cream and vanilla. A much lighter fruity scent. The two of these go so well together. This is deeply hydrating. It's got antioxidant oils in it and creamy cocoa butter. And oh, I skipped a step though, okay? Let me just get back to this screen. Okay, so we've got the Jungle Juice chunk, which you wash with, body scrub. This is our brand new Lady Limoncello body scrub. These three scents go so good together. This is lemony, a lemony body scrub. It's lemon honey, and it just exfoliates the dry skin. The chunk is going to help moisturize. You exfoliate all over with this. It nourishes with soothing honeysuckle. Also has a lot of antioxidants. It's just so bright and cheerful. It's going to get those winter blahs gone. So this is the Getting Busy bundle. You're going to feel like $1,000,000 after you wash, scrub, moisturize. You're going to be ready. You're going to be ready. And so, okay, and you get a vial lip color for free. And our vial lip color is a long-wearing lip color. I don't have it on right now. This is like gym clothes right here, but I had to jump on to tell you about this. This is long-wearing lip stain. It natural ingredients, does not burn your lips, really great. So you get this for free. So these four products together is a $76 value, and you can get all four of these for just 58 bucks. That's a really good deal. So that's the Getting Busy bundle. Next, we've got the Looking for Love bundle. And I think a lot of you, whether you have love or not, you're going to love this bundle because it includes the Under Wonder primer, which some of you have been trying and absolutely loving. It gives you a refined finish on your face, powdery soft feel, fills in all those fine lines, and you can either wear it alone, like after you've washed your face, put on your moisturizer, put this on just for a nice all over even tone, or put your foundation on top of this. It's going to help it stay on. It's going to put good things into your skin, help improve signs of aging, all of that while helping your makeup stay on. This stuff is amazing. And I've heard from a lot of my customers who've tried it already that a lot of primers break them out and they've had zero problems with the Under Wonder. And you get this new Swipe lip tint in the shade Red Carpet. Don't be afraid by the word red there. It's a very light lip tint in a reddish shade that looks great on all skin tones, and you can just do a swipe because it's called Swipe. You can do a swipe just for a little hint of color, or it's buildable and you put on a few layers, and it does last a pretty decent amount of time. It's not as long wearing as the vial, but it does last for quite a bit, and it's so moisturizing. It feels like butter. And you get the Glitter Gold Shimmer Eyeshadow. I'm going to take it out of the box here. Let me do that. This is an eyeshadow, which we don't have a ton of makeup, but there's even good ingredients in our makeup products. It's taped shut. I'm just trying to rip it open real fast. There's cucumber extracts in here, calendula, moisturizing glycerin, and it is a shimmer eyeshadow, but it's not like super glittery. It's just gives you a little bit of shimmer. And I'm told, I haven't tried mine yet. This is the first time I've opened it, obviously. So I'm going to start wearing it and give you the details. But it just gives you that nice shimmer. And there's no fallout. There's not glitter all over your face. It's just shimmery. I'll put some on my, on my makeupless eyelid just to try it out. Do you love the mess behind me? This is my guest room, if anyone's ever wondered. It's just a little bit, I could be more precise with my application. And I don't have any sort of base on my eyes right now or anything. But this is my guest room, and this bed doubles as a desk. So don't mind the mess behind me. So you get the Under Wonder, the Swipe, the Glare, and your choice of a big fat yummy hand cream for free. This Looking for Love bundle is a $69 value. You get it for $59. And I know a lot of you have been wanting Under Wonder and Swipe, so that's a really good deal. The third bundle is called Staying In. And with this bundle, I don't actually have this product, but this is the size of that product. The Rubby Scrubby Foot Stick. It comes in a stick like this. This is our Just Chillin' stick. Same size, same package, different product inside. The Rubby Scrubby Foot Stick is a peppermint foot scrub in this stick form. So this is great for guys and girls, by the way. This whole bundle, so great for guys and girls. So if you're staying in for Valentine's Day, whether you've got somebody to cuddle up with or not, you can pamper yourself or pamper each other with this bundle. We have the Rubby Scrubby Foot Stick, peppermint foot scrub. It's so easy to use. You just twist the top off and just bend over and like scrub the junk off your feet. Then you can follow up with the Toes Before Bros foot mask. So fun to do together or by yourself, whatever. You just put this all over your feet. It feels like silk going on. And the acids, the alpha hydroxy acids from pineapple and papaya gently exfoliate your skin. So anything left over after the scrub, it's going to just like eat away at that dead skin, but with natural ingredients. And you just, to really boost this up, wrap hot towels around your feet and kick back and watch a show for about 20 minutes. Wipe it all off, then finish up with the Schwanky and Soft Foot Cream. Everyone needs this in their life. It's an exfoliating foot lotion. You use it every day. It doesn't feel very heavy going on. It feels very light actually, but it also has those acids in it, those natural acids that eat away at dry skin over time. I really notice how well this product works when I stop using it for a while. I get out of the habit and then all of a sudden my feet are really rough again. This stuff is amazing. All of these three products have a peppermint scent to them. So you get the scrub, the mask, and the lotion, and then you get to pick a face mask for free. There are some exceptions to that rule, but most of the face masks are included. It excludes the Ice Queen, Rebound, and Olive Avo Wanted face mask. This one here is the Hot and Gold Firming Mask, gold shimmer all over your face. It's awesome. This bundle is worth $75 and you get it for $55. So great. So this promotion lasts from right now through February 10th at 11:59 p.m. Mountain Time. That's when it ends. Let's see. You can't use your Hostess half-offs on these. You cannot purchase them with perks, but they are such a great deal. You do earn perks on your order. And again, it ends on February 10th, the night of February 10th. And that's it. Oh, and if you're not in my VIP group, you want to get in my VIP group. Because if you're in my VIP group, every $50 order this month gets you entered to win a very special prize bundle. And it comes in this beautiful bag, and all the products are inside. You've got to get my VIP group to see what's inside, okay? Whether you plan on ordering right now or not, let me know if you want to get in my VIP group and I'll get you in there. Every $50 you spend gets you one more entry into winning this prize bundle this month of February. So if you stuck with me through the end of this, thank you so much. If any questions about any of this stuff, let me know. These are such great bundles. I'm really excited about this. I don't often jump on and do videos about like, here's what's on sale, but I had to share this bundle. It's so good. All right, thanks so much for watching. Make sure that you follow. If you're seeing this on YouTube, subscribe, all those things. All right, let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to help. Bye.